Here we go. Hi, I'm Anna.
And I'm Hannah.
And we're going to make a tincture.
Yeah.
What kind is it?
A dandelion oil.
Dandelion tincture. And it's really easy. All you need is a jar, a little piece of bag, some alcohol, 100 proof, and an herb of any kind. And we're picking dandelion root. So you're going to take this spoon and you're going to put it in the jar. Now, just a minute. Before you do anything, I have to move the camera up so we can see what we're doing now. You ready?
Mama, what's a tincture?
A tincture is something you soak in alcohol or oil and it pulls all the vitamins out of the herb, and then later when you're feeling bad or sick you can take the herb in little drops and it makes you well. You ready to make one?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? So I want you to dish out.
I'm making one for Grant.
You're gonna make one for Grant? Is he sick? Alright. Get your spoon. So dandelion tincture is really, really good for your liver and skin problems and any kind of sugar problems, and it's full of vitamins and minerals and all kinds of things that make people healthy. And that's what you're making. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the alcohol, 100 proof alcohol. I'm going to help you because it's heavy. And we're going to pour it in until it covers the herb up all the way. Okay? Pour it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. That's plenty. See there? See how it covered the herb?
Okay.
So now we need plastic. Plastic.
I'm going to put the bag on.
Put plastic on. We put plastic on to keep the alcohol in it from rusting your lid, because if you don't put plastic between it, your lid gets all rusty and ugly and you can't get it off. So there's your tincture. So every day in the morning and at nighttime you shake it. At morning when you wake up you go shake it, and at nighttime you go shake it, okay? And after 2 weeks you have a tincture and you can give it to somebody who's sick if you need to. But we also need to label it. So what kind of tincture is this?
Dandelion.
Dandelion. So we're going to put dandelion on it so you know what it is. Okay?
Okay.
That's it. There's your tincture. Ain't that easy? Okay, you want to tell them bye?
Bye.
Bye. So, this has been sitting, I just want to show you something. This has been sitting for about maybe 10 minutes. I don't know if you can see it, but it's already starting to pull all the good out of it. See, it's starting to turn yellow. So it's already making. It's doing really nice.
That's mine. Judah, don't break that side. That's
Just a minute.
Judah, if you want to make your tincture, you have to shake it. And when you go to bed and when you wake up, you have to shake it. And next time when you got
Do you want to explain that in the video?
a tincture, and it makes you all healthy in 2 more minutes.
It takes 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
You think you can remember all that?
Hi, I'm Anna.
I'm Anna. You're fine. Alright. Hi, I'm Anna.
And I'm Hannah.
And we're going to make a tincture.
Yeah.
Great. Am I in it?
Mom, why you need paper?
Okay, ready, Hannah? You gotta talk loud.
Hey.
You got everything? Okay. Hi, I'm Anna.
And I'm Hannah.
And we're going to show you how to make a dandelion tincture.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's real easy. We need a jar.
Yeah.
We need our herb. Piece of plastic, which I don't know where it went. And vodka.
Mama,
We never have our stuff. Find the plastic.
here it is.
I was going to use that today, Mom.
You ready? Okay, so I want you to scoop it into the jar.
Okay. It's a little bit.
Put a little bit in the jar. Be careful, don't spill it. Put it in there. You think that's enough or you want to make more?
That's enough.
Okay. Now, when we're done scooping it,
Okay.
put the alcohol in it.
Yeah, I'll help you.
What is dandelion tincture good for?
Kids.
Kids. Here, I'll help you. It's heavy. Dandelion is really full of vitamins and minerals and all kinds of good things. There, that's plenty. Look. See, we put enough to where it fills just over the herb. See that? Just barely covers the herb. You're done. All right, your lid. We're gonna have to do this again. I forgot to tell what dandelion was good for.
Let's do it again.
Again,
Yeah.
we're gonna end up with a very big, go get in our jar.
Okay. Get up.
Be
We're
careful.
doing it again.
We messed up.